Good morning, madam. My name is C. Govindarajulu. I am studying in your college, second BTech CSC. And today my topic is some of the subset problem with examples. First of all, we can talk about the introduction to the problem of subset problem. The sum of the subset problem is classical problem of a computer science and mathematics, and it involves the finding a subset of a numbers that adds up to a special target subterm. The problem in NP complete, meaning it is a computationally challenging to solve efficiently. Here we can consider the array elements of 10, 0, 5, 8, 6, 2, 4. Here the sum of these elements are 15. That's here we doing the addition operations on these elements. Problem definition. Here we define that given a set of integers that goal to determine the exist of a subset to given number. The subset can be include any numbers of elements including zeros. The problem can be expressed mathematically using equations represented as sum. Here we can take the numbers either the integers, either sign without it include also 0. Then example problem statement. Then here we consider the elements 3, 34, 40, 12, 5, 2. Here we can it targeted sum is 9. So we need to find if there is a subset of this number that adds up to the 9. A solution help illustrated how the problem works in a practice. We have considered the elements of 3, 4, 5, 2. Sum is here the state space tree of the subset problem. Then possible subsets. The subsets is nothing but the elements in the main set. Here the elements, the number of the subsets of set with n elements are 2 power n. For the set 3, 34, 4, 12, 5, 2, there are 2 power 6, that is equals to here 64 possibilities. If we can find the number of possibilities of parameter with multiplying with the 2 power n. Here n is the integers that we have started from 1. Then enumerating all subsets can be insufficient for largest, hence there are a optimization. Backtracking algorithm for subset problem. The backtracking algorithm systems explores subset of the set of integers. It adds the elements to a current subsets and check if the current sum matches the target. If the current sum exceeded the target, it backtracks to explore other potential subset. Here subset sum algorithm. You can see the algorithm subset problem. Here for k is equals to 1 to n do. For I in is equals to p to 0. If a of I is equals to 1, then we can a power k plus I less than b. Then we have to solve this. A of k plus I is equals to 1. A of b is equals to 1. The time complexity b of b plus n. Then examples of the subsets. Look, you have considered the two sets. Here b, here a is a subset of the b. Each of these subsets can check to see if the sum was 9 or not. Manually, if you would be traditional without a systematic approach or algorithm. Systematic approach. What is meaning by systematic approach? Systematic approach is nothing but we can solve any problem with the systematically. A recursion approach can be employed to explore all the possible steps. What is meaning by recursion? Recursion is nothing but that we can backtracking again and we call the function recursively. That means we can go back and call the function where we can need that function. The algorithm considers each number of dedication whether to include or not. This reservatory structure representing the choice made at each step. Recursion algorithm. We can also know the recursion algorithm. So the recursion function checks if the current sum equals to the targeted. If the sum exceeded the target, the function backtracks. The base case returns the true when the valid subset is found. Here this problem break down the problem statement. Here k is equals to 1 summation of k to n of k. Here basically these are two categorized into two. if base case and recursion step. If n is equals to 1, then the function is returned. If of n, then n plus f of n minus 1. Example with dynamic programming. This subset problem also can be solved by the dynamic programming. Using our example targeted sum of concept dynamic programming. These are the systematic examples of the dynamic programming solving coding challenges. Here we can also see the state space tree of this subset of problem. Here the rows will be represented. Here rows will represent the elements 3, 34, 4, 12, 5, 2, and the column will be represented sums from 0 to 9, filling in the table based on inclusion or exclusion. Inclusion is nothing when we have to include the element and exclude it, we can do not include that element with the state space tree. Then result interpreted. Here the bottom right cell of the table indicates the whether the targeted sum can be formed. If the cell contains a true, a subset exists. If false, no such that subset of exist. Here we see the diagrams. Here the subset of existed the elements. In our example, the cell is started some 9 will be show the true. Time complexity. We can also find the time complexity of this subset of problem. The time complexity of the navigation recursion approach is big O of 2 power n, and the dynamic programming approach reduces this big O of n of sum where sum is targeted value. This is we can see the diagram of this graph of time complexity. Here we have the worst case of 0 n factorial and exponential of 2 power n factorial, and logarithms, linear, log linear, quadratic, such that we have so many of those examples. Space complexity. Space complexity for the recursion approach is big O of n due to the recursion stack. This dynamic programming typically uses big O of n some space for the table, constant, logarithms, linear, exponential, etc. Let us consider one example. Here we have weights 5, 10, 12, 13, 15, 18, and here 30 weight is sum of the weights is 30 and n is equals to numbered. Here we consider first step, we can 0, 1, 73. Here first of all we can construct the state space tree left separate according to left separate, then we construct the right separate. Then we can go to x1 is equals x1 is equals to 1, then 5 is included, then we construct 5, then 2. Here we can already we can fill it the box with the 5, then we can minus that 5 with 73, then we get 68. Here get, then next x equals to 2. Here first second element is included means that we got 15 and 3 and 55. Next third element is included, then we can got 27, 4, 46. Here 27. If you can include the fourth element, what is our fourth element? 13. So it can greater than our maximum weight of the 30. Henceforth we cannot exist that element and go to backtracks again. X2 equals to 1, then x3 equals 0, 15, 4, 46. Here we can construct the accordingly to the subset of problems. Then again we can, this is completed, again backtrack to the x1 is equals to 1, that we go to x2 equals 0, then we can, x2 is not included, that way we can x2 5 as it is 3, and here weight is equals to weight 58, then x3 is equals to included and x3 is equal not included. Here two conditions. Here x3 is equals to included means what is mean by x3? 12, then 5 plus 17 equals to 12, that included. The number is equals to 4 and weight minus equals 46, that way x3 is not included means you got 5, 4, 46. Then x4 is included, and such way we can construct the state space tree. Same we can construct left subtree of the left subtree, that's like we can also construct the right subtree of the state space tree. Then application of the problem. The sum of the subset problem has real world application in resources allocations and budgeting. It also revelating insight of graph where subset selection impacts security. Understanding this problem helps in a tackling other NP problems. Here we can example flowchart of this. Then related problems, and the subset problem is related to the knapsack problem, is closely related. Other variable including partially problems and subset sum problem. Each variable has its own unique challenge and applications. Conclusion: the sum of subset problem is fundamentally concept in computer science and engineering. Mastering this problem enhances problem solving skills and understanding algorithms. Its wide application make it an important topic for study and researchers. Thank you, madam.